Hi, I'm Dr. Devyani Barve, a plastic and cosmetic surgeon in Mumbai. If you worked hard on your fitness but still have loose skin on your arms, tummy, thighs, you've probably wondered a lot of times, is there anything between very simple treatments which may not work and a full surgery? Today, let's talk about BodyTite, technology that sits right in that gap. BodyTite is a minimally invasive body contouring procedure that uses radiofrequency assisted lipolysis, also called as RFAL. In simple language, it's a special device that delivers radiofrequency energy between an internal probe and an external electrode. This simultaneously melts or softens the fat, shrinks the fibers connecting the skin to the underlying muscle, and tightens the surrounding skin by heating the collagen. So unlike traditional liposuction, which mainly removes fat, BodyTite also helps address skin laxity, reducing the risk of ending up with loose or empty, shriveled up skin. The common areas which I like to treat with BodyTite include the upper arms, often called as the bat wings, the tummy or the abdomen, especially after pregnancy or rapid weight loss, the inner or outer thighs where you may have stubborn fat pockets, and in selected patients, the love handles, bra rolls, or back fat. It works best for patients who are close to their ideal weight, have stubborn pockets of fat, and have mild to moderate loose skin, but not extremely saggy tissue with plenty of stretch marks. Here is how the procedure is done. We mark the treatment areas in a standing position. In the procedure room, we use a tumescent solution, which is a saline-based solution, to numb and prepare the area. A tiny entry point is made and the BodyTite probe is inserted under the skin. Radiofrequency energy is delivered, heating the tissues to a controlled temperature, while safety is continuously monitored. In many cases, we combine it with liposuction to remove the softened fat. Otherwise, the fat will be digested by the body. Most patients go home the same day wearing a compression garment. The recovery is smoother than traditional surgery, but not completely downtime free. You should expect some swelling, bruising, and soreness for a few days to a couple of weeks. Most patients return to desk work within a few days, though heavy exercise should wait a little longer. Compression garments are usually worn for a few weeks for shaping and support. You may see immediate contour change, but the tightening and smoothening will continue to improve over 3 to 6 months as the collagen remodeling happens. Now let's compare BodyTite with some other options. Liposuction removes fat, but if your skin is already loose, it may look even more saggy after it. BodyTite, with or without liposuction, removes or softens fat and tightens the skin in the same sitting, making it ideal for patients with mild to moderate laxity. Surgical procedures like a tummy tuck, arm lift, or a thigh lift are ideal for very loose skin or large skin excess after major weight loss or multiple pregnancies. These surgeries involve removing the extra skin and repositioning tissues and leave longer scars. BodyTite is not a replacement for surgery when the skin is extremely loose, but it's a very powerful option for people who fall in between, those who need more than non-invasive treatments but don't require big surgery. You may be a good candidate if your weight is stable, you don't expect major weight loss ahead, you have realistic expectations, and you understand that this is not a weight loss method but a contouring and a tightening treatment. We'll also review your medical history, your medications, and any other conditions that may affect healing. As with any procedure, there are potential risks like some skin pigment irregularities, asymmetry, and some temporary sensation changes. There can be a little bit of swelling and bruising which goes away in time. Good technology, proper settings, and careful technique significantly reduce these risks, which is why choosing a qualified expert is crucial. To sum it up, BodyTite is exciting because it lets me shape and tighten areas like the arms, tummy, and thighs using small incisions, less downtime than traditional excisional surgery, and it can achieve much more tightening than liposuction alone, especially if you have some stretch marks. But it's not one size fits all. Your treatment must be tailored to your body, your skin, and your goals. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content on safe, evidence-based body contouring.